The biggest motivation for Rooney Mara to start a vegetarian diet and transition to veganism was her direct awareness of animal suffering. She had fluctuated between vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets since the age of 9, but about 7 years ago, as of a 2018 interview, encountering a horrific undercover video of a pig farm became the decisive moment for her to become vegan. She recalled, "It was one horrible video, which led to another horrible video, which led to another. I fell down a YouTube rabbit hole. And after facing these truths, she cut out all animal products." Rooney Mara participated in a documentary involving undercover investigations of factory farms and witnessed the suffering of animals firsthand. Upon seeing the gestation crates where pregnant pigs are confined, she said, "It was the worst place I've ever been," and deeply empathized with the pain of mother pigs who were trapped and unable to care for their young, thinking of her own sister who had just given birth. She mentioned, "All of this is much more horrific than you can imagine," and urged, "At the very least, you must acknowledge and look at where this comes from and what is happening to these animals." Together with her partner, Joaquin Phoenix, she took on the narration for the vegan documentary Dominion, which exposes the reality of animal cruelty. This is an effort to convey the stories of voiceless beings to the world. Rooney Mara's vegan life is not limited to just a diet, but extends to compassion and ethical responsibility for all living creatures. According to the experiences of some related individuals, there is a story that "I spent time with animal friends at my grandfather's farm, but was shocked to find out one day that I had eaten a pig, Squiggly, I liked. That moment instilled an awareness that later manifested into a compassionate lifestyle." Noticing the difficulty of finding stylish products in the luxury fashion market that exclude animal materials, such as leather, silk, and wool, she co-founded Highwraith, a vegan clothing and accessories line. This is a practical step to expand ethical choices, opposing the unethical aspects of the fashion industry, where animal suffering is hidden, even expressing that wool is a silent killer. She stated, "Our goal is to present another high-quality option, regardless of whether someone is looking for animal products or not, revealing that the goal is to lead non-vegans to naturally encounter ethical products." Rooney Mara emphasizes environmental issues as another important reason for vegetarianism alongside animal rights. She said she maintains a vegan diet because of the impact meat production has on the climate, nature, and ecosystems. Her partner, Joaquin Phoenix, said, "When we became vegan at a younger age, it wasn't for health, but because of the spiritual aftermath stemming from our understanding of animal agriculture. It was really about compassion." However, he emphasized the seriousness of environmental issues by adding, "Now we are aware of the impact our consumption has on the entire planet, so it no longer feels like just an individual choice." She and Joaquin Phoenix express a critical stance toward the fact that humans are disconnected from the natural world and have a self-centered worldview that sees ourselves as the center of the universe while plundering nature. Their message is that true compassion is achieved through harmony with all living beings and nature.